Younited Credit has emerged as one of the leading consumer loan providers in Europe, offering fast, transparent, and flexible financing solutions for individuals. As a fully digital lending platform, it connects borrowers directly with investors, eliminating the need for traditional banking intermediaries. This approach allows Younited Credit to provide competitive interest rates and more personalized loan options, making it an attractive choice for anyone seeking a consumer loan. The platform focuses on simplicity and efficiency, allowing users to apply for a loan entirely online. Loan applications are processed quickly, and funds can often be available within a few days. Loan amounts typically range from $1,000 to $50,000, accommodating small personal loans as well as larger financial needs, such as home renovations, debt consolidation, or purchasing high-value items. The repayment terms are flexible, usually spanning from 12 to 84 months, enabling borrowers to manage monthly payments comfortably according to their budget. One of the standout features of Younited Credit is its transparency. Borrowers receive a detailed overview of all fees, interest rates, and monthly installments up front. There are no hidden charges, and early repayment is allowed without penalties. This transparency builds trust and ensures that borrowers can plan their finances without unexpected costs. Younited Credit also prioritizes responsible lending. The platform assesses each application carefully to ensure borrowers can afford their monthly payments. This reduces the risk of over-indebtedness and provides a safer borrowing experience. Additionally, the customer support team is responsive, providing guidance and assistance throughout the loan process, ensuring users feel supported from application to repayment. For individuals looking for a reliable consumer loan provider, Younited Credit offers a modern and efficient alternative to traditional banks. Its combination of competitive rates, flexible repayment terms, full transparency, and strong digital infrastructure makes it one of the best options available. Whether financing a personal project, consolidating debts, or managing unexpected expenses, Younited Credit delivers a straightforward and trustworthy borrowing experience. By streamlining the lending process and offering customer-centric services, Younited Credit has positioned itself as a top choice for those seeking a consumer loan that is fast, flexible, and financially transparent.